Keisha and the Big Yard Dance-Off. Once upon a time, in the lively town of Cassava Peace, where the rhythm never stopped and people always a bubble, lived a little girl named Keisha. Keisha loved to dance. She would have danced in her sleep if she could. From she could walk, her aunt, Brenda, or Aunt B for short, would play sweet reggae and dancehall tunes on her old cassette player. Keisha my picnic, she always say, when you feel the rhythm, you must move your foot them. Every evening, Keisha would run go outside when the sun cooled down and all the picnic them from the lane would gather up. They danced to the sounds coming from Uncle Merv's shop radio, Barry's Hammond, Beanie Man, Spice, and many more. Even some old-time cartoons. But Keisha had a big dream. She wanted to enter the Big Yard Dance-Off, the biggest kids' dance competition in all of Jamaica. It was held every summer in Kingston at Emancipation Park, and dancers from all 14 parishes would come for the show. The best moves, Gully Creeper, Willie Bongs, Gias, and world-famous Bogle dance styles. But Keisha had a problem. While she had enough energy and style, she never really finished any dance moves. She would start a Gully Creeper and end up doing Bogle, all mixed up like callaloo and saltfish. Auntie B noticed one evening and called her over and say, Keisha, me know you're full of vibes, but dancing not just hype, you know. Is rhythm, is timing, and heart. You have to have heart. You have to feel the music in your soul. So, she handed her a flash drive. Put this in your tablet. It full of old dancehall videos. Study them, practice them, and remember to make it yours. From then on, Keisha practiced day and night. She studied the steps, but she also learned the history of how ska started back in the 60s, how Bogle create legendary dance moves, how dancehall moves spread all over the world from right here in Jamaica. The big day come and Keisha step out sharp in her black, green and gold outfit. The crowd they large and the vibes hot. When it was her turn, Keisha took a deep breath. Her aunt smiled from the front row, and then she heard the beat drop. Boom, 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 boom. Keisha start with a smooth Willie Bongs, slide into Gully Creeper, spin into a Shelly Belly, and then boom! A new move she created herself, the motor shake. The crowd scream. The judges couldn't believe her vibes and the way she moved with confidence and style. Keisha never just danced. She tell a whole story with her entire body, especially her foot them. At the end, them announce, and the winner of the Big Yard Dance-Off competition is Marsha from Runaway Bay, second place Mike from Bull Bay, and third place Keisha from Cassava Peace. Keisha couldn't believe it. She was top 3 in her first dance competition ever. Although she didn't win, in her eyes it was. She knew she was memorable. The crowd would not stop talking about her new dance, the motor shake, and all over the park you could see adults and kids alike trying to do the new dance. Keisha run go up Auntie B. "Mo proud of you, my star," she say with tears in her eyes. You never forget where you come from, and now the world see what a real Jamaican is and what real Jamaican dancing looks like. From that day, Keisha became a little dance ambassador for Jamaica, teaching other kids about the culture, the moves, and the love we put in every step. And every time she start with Auntie's words in her heart, when you feel the rhythm, just move your foot them.